Hello, grade 10 students. It's your math boy here. Today, we're going to be learning on a unit or topic called derivatives. Now, in derivatives, I'm going to go hit straight to the to the solutions of questions because if I explain what's a derivative, you might not understand very well. So let me give an example. So we can be given 7x squared. Then, in order to find the derivative, I forgot to say the derivative can be represented as dy over dx. If y is equal to 7x squared, find dy over dx. If they don't say find the derivative, you have to find dy over dx. If they don't say derivative in full. So, this is how we do it. So, to this function, you see, 2. We're gonna have to bring it below, so it will be 7 times 2, and x is 2 minus 1. So the derivative, you have to bring the power below, and at the same time subtract by 1. Derivative here will be 14x. So this is our dy over dx. So in simple ways, this is how we find the derivative of a single term. Now, I'm going to give any other term, a quadratic term, it can be a cubic term. So, but before I hit into that, let's find the derivative of fx is equal to x squared plus 5, x cubed. So, this is what we do here. Whenever we're finding the derivative, we have to put f dash x. If you want to get the full marks in your math exam, you put f dash x. Also, the same here thing for y. I forgot to put y dash, and y dash is equivalent to. So, in this case, we bring 3 below. It will be 3x, 3 minus 1. And get this, this is very important. A derivative of any constant is 0. So in this case, it will be plus nothing. So then f dash x is equal to 3x squared. This is our dy over dx. This is our answer. So this is a cubic function. Okay, so I already explained how to find the derivatives of linear equations. Now I'm going to show you how to find the derivatives of fractions. So there are two differences in fractions. You can be given one example. Let's use 1 over 5 in our example. So you can be given 1 over 5 x squared, and 1, you can be given 1 over 5 x squared. So this is where you guys need to spot the difference. There is a difference here because x squared is for the whole fraction. So this is the difference right here. So, and right here, the difference right here is that x squared is only for the denominator. So this is how we're going to work out both of our equations. If we're told to find dy over dx and dy over dx here. So let's do it. So here it's as simple as that. We bring the power down, so it becomes 1 over 5 times 2 x, since 2 minus 1 is 1. In any power, and the law of integers states that any power raised by 1, it's the coefficient itself, so it's not a must to write power 1. So our answer here is 1 over 1 is 2 over 5, sorry, 2 over 5x is our derivative in this question. So now let's head on to this equation, which I said there was a difference. So we can be given 1 over 5x squared. You know what we do whenever there's a fraction, when the denominator is, when our x squared is at the denominator, this is what we do. We rewrite the equation as 1 over 5 x to the power of negative 2. So also right now I'm also going to teach you guys how to find the derivatives when the powers are negative. So watch and learn. 1 over 5 x negative 2 minus 1. The law of integers is, if negative 2 is minus 1 is negative 3. So it will be 1 over 5 x to the power of negative 3. Now, we don't end here yet. This is how we write our answer. So it's going to be 1 over, I'm working na po. So our answer here will be 1 over 5. We take x to the power of negative 3 in the denominator, so it becomes 5x cubed. So I'm also going to teach you guys how to find the derivative of negative powers without a fraction, something which I forgot, but I'm going to show you guys right now. So you can be given 2x to the power of negative 3. How to find the derivative of this? So it's like always, we take the power exponent down. It becomes negative 3 times 2x, negative 3 minus 1. So our derivative here will be negative 6x to the power of negative 4. But not so fast. We have to rewrite it like how we did it for this equation right here. So our full derivative here will be negative 6 over x to the power of 4. This is our answer. So how does derivatives help us? If you master the basics in derivatives, it can help you find stationary points in math. It can help you solve graphical questions. It can help you simplify the whole equation if it's too long. So, lastly, it can also help you solve kinematics. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really loved how I've explained and done my derivatives. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my math tutorials. I'll see you guys again soon for another video, and thanks for watching and good luck.